I am Tony.
And this is Rose. And we are the Rotary.
We are now in Carcour. This is Rose's province. It's just me for now. I have to go back to the car. Definitely couldn't get the car to go through this, so I have to park it there. It might get a little slippery. I honestly love coming out here. Just look at this. I mean, other than the amazing humidity that is here, you can't beat these views. Okay, in the road. I mean, yeah, when it rains. So this is a solo. Whew. I'm still a stranger in this particular province, so I try not to stand out too much. The beautiful sound of the morning cock. So, yeah. It's beautiful there. Try not to get any people in here. But coconut trees. Wow, the chicken crossed the road. Kids riding scooters, or motorcycles. All right. Let's look at that. So they even have their own river, which comes from a lovely waterfall, which is a little bit further up. But it's amazing. And it's so quiet. Well, until the mornings. All right. So the path to Rose's parental home it's fun. It's like a little maze. This is their Sorry store, which is like, think of it like a little grocery store that's local in the neighborhood. Well, it sells like coffee, alcohol, snacks, things of the sort. These things here, you can make them into soups. They're really good for you. It's like one of those super vegetables. Great. Gotta pause here. Okay. And here we are. All on the shoes. But all right. And we're here. Beautiful. Hello. And hey there. Is the river. We're back. I'm Tony and this is Rose.
We are here in the province right now. Look at the river here. It's very clear water. Wow.
Very clear water. And that bridge will kill me with this mud and shoes.
No.
Yes, I will slip and fall and break everything. So, keep going.
The road here is very muddy. Very mud.
Oh, this is way more mud than the other road.
Huh?
This is way more way more mud than the other road.
Oh my god.
All right, and I'm gonna boom, and we're back.
I feel like I'm starting the rain again.
It is starting to rain. That's what I was saying. We should go while the road isn't that bad, because we're gonna get stuck. Yes, the vehicle we have is front wheel drive, and the tires aren't all that well. So, all right, and we're just going back the route that we basically came. It's about to start raining hard, so till next time.
Where are you going
See ya.
earlier? Right here?
Yep.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and share and subscribe our new channel. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.